needs to be like a ratio or percentage of moisture to protein, because you guys know it is a balance. Okay, it is a balance, and I'm finding that utilizing Hey YouTube, what's going on? Welcome to another curly chemistry video. I'm so glad you are here because today I'm talking about my journey to increasing my length, really getting more into length retention. And it's not just about the products that I've been using, which of course I will be sharing with you as well, but also just the different techniques and tweaks to my styling regimen that's made a huge difference in my length. Okay, you guys know I don't waste any time. Let's go ahead and get started. Okay, number one is going to be how I've been styling my hair, because how you style your hair will really determine your length retention. Because if you choose the wrong styles, no doubt you will experience some level of breakage. And as for me, and also other women as well, is that lace front wigs are where it's at. Now, I'm not talking about traditional installation of lace front wigs where you use the glue and all the things and sometimes the makeup and all that. No. It is a much easier process, and what I do is I turn my lace front wigs or even a half wig into a headband wig, and I love it because it's super versatile. You can take it off when you want and put it back on when you want to and go about your day. And I want to show you exactly how I've been doing this to retain my length with a wig I have from HerGivenHair. Okay, let's go upstairs.
Okay, so let's go ahead and get straight into the unboxing of this wig. Now, the first thing you're looking at is the removable adjustable band, because they want to make sure that when you're using this wig, you are comfortable. Now, the packaging is absolutely amazing. It actually includes a wig instruction book for beginners with pictures, so I love that. They also include a satin storage bag for your wig to maintain its shape. Now, the wig I'm going to be wearing is the curly texture all-in-one half wig. This wig is completely glueless. The lace is 1x2 and it's also a U-shape lace wig, as you can see right there, which looks absolutely amazing. And the reason why they call it an all-in-one wig, because you can wear it as a ponytail because it has a drawstring in it, and I'll show you guys that in a second, a half wig and a full wig. Now, as we look inside, you will see that it has two combs on both sides, and then you have the larger comb towards the bottom. You have your adjustable straps, and then towards the very bottom, you see that little string right there? That's the drawstring in case you want to use this as a ponytail. Now, the hair is super soft. The texture is on point. I'm actually really impressed, and I haven't even tried it on yet. Okay, so here we are, and basically I am smoothing out my edges with some edge control, because that's gonna be really important, because this part of my hair, as you will see, will be left out of the wig. So you want that to be as smooth as possible. I put my headband on first, and you'll see why in a second. Of course, applying my wig cap, and then the next thing I'm going to do is start to cut the lace. Once again, this is only like 1 inch, that I'm cutting, so super easy, and look how great that looks. So I'm gonna go ahead and slide my wig cap back, because once again, I'm gonna rock this with my edges out and my hair out for a more realistic look. I'm gonna take those two combs in the front and put it into my hair very gently. And when I'm doing this, I'm making sure that it's not too tight on my head so it's comfortable. As you guys can see here, I am pretty much blown away at how great that looks. I even put some lipstick on because I was feeling myself a little bit, added some moisture spritz to get those curls popping a little bit, and that's all I added for this wig. And you guys know when I wear these wigs, guys, I keep it super simple. The curls look absolutely amazing. It literally looks just like my hair. It looks so natural. Of course, you know I did my edges because I'm just feeling it at this point, okay? And of course, HerGivenHair is hooking you guys up with a $20 off coupon code. Use the code all-in-one to get this exact wig for $20 off.
Okay, so we are back. That is how I have been installing my lace front / half wigs into a headband wig that has been working for me, and I love it. It's just one and done, okay? And once again, I'm protecting my ends, because that's what it's really all about when it comes to length retention. So if you want to check out the wig that you guys just saw me put on, okay, and rock in style, I'll have the link below for you in the description box. Okay, now, well, I All right, curl friends, hope you have enjoyed this video and learned something new. If you enjoyed this video, please be sure to hit that like button, and to join the Curly Chemistry community to stay in the loop for more Curly Chemistry videos, hit that subscribe button and hit the notification bell so you can get notified when I upload a new video. And of course, I do have a question for you since we are talking about length retention. I just like my little pigtails today. What has helped you the most when it has come to length retention? What are you currently doing in your regimen that you're noticing, hey, I'm seeing less breakage, or hey, I'm seeing less shedding? What is that thing? Maybe it's a product, maybe it's a technique, whatever it is, okay? Let the girlies know, okay? Comment below, let us all know, and I cannot wait for a conversation with you. If you're interested in learning more about your hair and ingredients, if you want to do hair care coaching with me one-on-one, or interested in starting your own hair care line, check out the link below in the description box for the Curly Chemistry store so you can grab all the ebooks, book your one-on-one hair care coaching call, or start your business, okay? I look forward to chatting with you soon, and any questions, just let me know. All right, guys, I love you, and I'll talk to you guys soon. Bye.